How to sign in Samsung account on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accounts and Backup. After click on Accounts and Backup, click on Manage Account. After click on Manage Account, click on click on Secure Folder. After click on Secure Folder, click on Add Account. If you want to add Samsung account, click on Samsung account. If you want to sign in, so click on Sign in with Google. After click on Sign in with the Google, so enter your email, and after enter your email, you will see Samsung account is sign in. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can sign in Samsung account on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.